welcome back to my channel. Hey, I'm Ellen if you're new here, and today I'm filming a Poundland haul for you guys. Well, hopefully. I'm about to go to Poundland, but you guys loved my previous Poundland haul. It's got one of my best watch retention rates on any of my videos recently, so you obviously enjoyed it. So I hope it was Poundland over Wilko's. I think it probably was, but I am going to head to Poundland and see what's new in Poundland for this month, basically. So I'll take you along with me. I do need some cleaning stuff because I'm gonna film a big clean with me video tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do one of those ones where it's like an hour long and it's like cleaning motivation, so that will be coming up. So subscribe if you're interested, and if you're interested in these Poundland hauls, then hit subscribe as well. It really helps the channel grow and makes me a happy gal. So yeah, if you could hit the subscribe button if you're enjoying the video, and let's go to Poundland. Valentine's Day stuff out. It is so cute. Hi guys, so we're here for the second bit of the haul. Well, the actual haul. So it was actually a very successful Poundland shop. I picked up some really good stuff. I'm not sitting in the right place, am I? I don't know. So I'm going to show you what I picked up because it was quite successful. I had a very good time in Poundland today. You know what? I've been sleeping on Poundland, and that was an actual mistake. And I want to say thanks to another creator here called Faye. She's Faye J, I think is her channel name. Go check her out because she's basically the reason I'm doing Poundland hauls. I got recommended one of her videos and was like, and now I'm like obsessed with the woman. She's just, oh, her videos are just brilliant. I would highly recommend checking her out. But that's not what you're here to see. You're here to see what I picked up in Poundland. So I put everything into this bag here. I work for a company called Arthur who make products for people with arthritis, by the way. It's my day job. But yeah, I'm going to show you what I picked up. So I did get some cleaning bits, like I said I needed to, and also they had their Valentine's Day stuff in. And although I'm not in love with anybody but myself, I am still a sucker for love and for Valentine's Day and anything cute, kitschy, hearty, cute, kawaii looks. And Valentine's Day brings me all that goodness, so I'm a fan. Like a hater on Valentine's Day just because I don't have a boyfriend, basically. I like Valentine's Day, I think it's adorable. And if I had a boyfriend, I hope he'd buy me flowers or a teddy or something. Even though it's kind of giving into the capitalist idea that we need to just consume to tell people that we love them. But it's cute anyway. One thing I did find hilarious they had these little boxes with a little ring in, like a little engagement box. It was so funny, but also so adorable. But why would you? If someone proposed to me with a Poundland ring in a really fucking cute way, I'd probably kind of like it. Anyway, let's just get into this haul, shall we? So as I've been ranting on about the Valentine's Day stuff, I'm gonna probably start with that. I'm basically just gonna section these things out into like different like varieties, different, because I bought like kind of things that kind of flow together, I guess. So I'm gonna section it out is what I'm gonna do. And maybe I should just pause for a thumbnail quickly as well, because I'm gonna regret it if I don't. I've got a thumbnail in there somewhere. I think, so yeah, the bag's empty now. I think I'm gonna start with the Valentine's Day stuff because I've ranted and raved on about that enough. So yeah, they were just putting it out. I do think more than I got is gonna come because they were like putting things out, but it definitely wasn't everything. So the first thing I got was this little heart chalkboard. So they've written like I love you on it, but it's literally just a little chalkboard, and it comes with a chalk as well, on a little like canvas like an artist stand, an easel, that's what it's called, on a little easel. And I think I'm just gonna like pop it up on my side and write something cute on it. I'm not really sure what yet, but I just thought it was so cute, and for £1, adorable. And how cute would this be if you like lived with your partner and you left them little notes? Like, I have so much love to give. I would do the cutest shit like that for someone. Never before have I been like a cutesy person, but I've been single for 2 years now, and I really think that like now I would like just be the cutest girlfriend. Like, I would be one of those people that just gives cuteness, and can I get someone in the relationship that's like that gives those cute things, and someone that receives those cute things. And I've always been the person that like receives the cute things and doesn't give them, and now I really want to be like the person that gives them and makes someone happy with like the cute things. I'm sorry, I'm not, it's Poundland Haul then, just do the Poundland Haul. I then got this plate, and I don't know, I feel like I'm going to use it as like a bit of a decoration in my room for something. I'm not really sure what yet, but I love it. And for £1, I just think that's so good for such a cute plate. They had tons of them as well. Like, this is the kind of like kitschy, cute shit that I love for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I am going to pop this somewhere in my room, but I'm not really sure where yet. I'm thinking over on my bedside table probably. It's probably where it goes. But yeah, there will be cutaways to where I do end up putting all this stuff, of course. Oh God, we're 6 minutes into the video. Right, so the next bit, I picked up some like candly stuff. So I wanted one of these wax melts last time I was in Poundland, but they didn't have any wax melts to go in them, and I don't really know where you buy stuff like that. So I got one, and they had wax melts now. So I've got a vanilla crush soothing and soft scented wax melt, so they obviously go together. And I didn't have any tea lights to go in there, so I also got the vanilla crush tea lights. So sorry Emily, but our flat is gonna smell of vanilla. I still haven't got my smell back fully from having COVID, so I can smell those though, and so I assume they are quite strong, because I can smell them, which means that they must be on the stronger side. I did pick up some lighters as well, because although Emily's a smoker, I seem to not be able to ever find a lighter in this flat, and I don't know what I've done with them. I've like already lost the lighters. That is literally exactly what I mean. Lighters just go MIA so easily. I know, they're right there. So yeah, I just got a 4-pack of lighters. There was one that had a white lighter in, and I don't know if you know, but every single celebrity that died at 27 basically had a white lighter on them, and I'm now like a bit weirded out by white lighters, so I had to buy the pack that didn't have the white lighter in. Fun fact for you there. On the kind of soothing candle thing, they've also got a whole like bath gifting section that's in the Valentine's Day area, so I assume it's made for Valentine's Day, but they have a whole bunch of stuff that's lavender. So I picked up the relaxing and calming lavender bath bar. So these are just like a bath bomb, you break it up and fill it in, pop it into your bath. So I think I'm gonna have a bath tonight or tomorrow and use this. It smells like it's gonna smell good, but yeah, it's relaxing, calming lavender, and it's for like sleep. And it's not tested on animals, and it's vegan friendly. I love that. Super cute actually. I'm very excited to try that. I then also picked up, we don't need any more mugs in this house. I could have picked up quite a few mugs. There were loads I liked, but I just went for this one, which has got these cute stars all over. How cute is that? The Valentine's Day one with the hearts all over was really cute as well, and I think they're a really good size for a mug. I like, you know, a big cup of tea, and this gives a nice big cup of tea. Not as good as my Wish You Were Here Starbucks ones, which are my favourite mugs, but it's getting there, and for £1. They also had one which was like a pretty like kind of tile blue pattern, which probably would be what I would have gone for maybe a few years ago, but now I'm on this like pastel cute everything hype. I went for this, and I love it. And oh, it goes so nicely with the plate. Why have I been sleeping on Poundland for so long? And I also picked up these Smith Seed banana and hemp bars. These were actually £1.50, which I didn't realise. I probably wouldn't have got them if I knew they were £1.50. But they're just like preservative, healthy little snack bars basically. I'll try one of these today, and I'll vlog and let you know how I find it, but I probably would have picked these up if I knew they were £1.50, to be completely honest with you. If I've legit just balanced you on a cup of tea, no, not a good idea. Better? probably not, but actually this would be quite a good place to film videos, wouldn't it? I'm gonna try that banana raw bar now. So let's see how it is. So it's, yeah, banana and hemp vegan little bar, but they're only like 100 calories. I mean, not that I really count calories, but that's really yummy. Don't know if I'd buy it again, but it's good. I'm then going to move on to the cleaning stuff. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going to film a real-time clean with me, I think on Saturday. Well, tomorrow. So I picked up a few more bits for cleaning. So we'd run out of like anti-bac wipes, so I just picked these ones up. And at the front of Poundland, they've got this massive cleaning section now, so I assume everybody's doing their cleaning. So yeah, I picked up just a 50 pack, and these are apple and apricot scented, so that's nice, because we needed more. I also picked up a pair of gloves because we needed a pair of gloves as well, and I've got a really bad habit of not wearing them when I'm doing like bleaching and stuff, so I need to, because my hands are getting really dry. So I picked up a pack of gloves. I also picked up some heads for our Dishmatic thing, because these sell out really quickly in Poundland, so every time I see them I try and grab them. Mum buys them from somewhere, I'm not sure, but I always ask her to get them for me and she seems to find them. But every time I see them in Poundland I pick them up. They don't have the pink ones anymore, which obviously makes me sad, but this one will do. I then also picked up this, which is, it's called Bathmatic, and it's a dual cleaning sponge, and I'm gonna clean the, when I say I'm doing a clean with me, I'm cleaning the whole friggin' flat tomorrow. So I'm cleaning the bath included, obviously, and I thought this would be interesting to try. So it said it like, oh, mirrors and baths, shower tiles. I'm just gonna go ham with this sponge and see how it goes. So it's for drying, polishing, non-scratch surface, lifting or removing dirt. We'll see. It claims it can do a lot. Let's give it a go. So yeah, that is everything I picked up. I actually think it's a really good haul. I am going to go back in like a week or so, because it's only mid-January right now, and see what else they've got for Valentine's Day, and see if there's anything else cute I can pick up for Valentine's Day. But yeah, that's everything I picked up. I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you want to see more Poundland hauls, do let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you've picked up anything cute in the Valentine's Day stuff, because it is obviously my jam. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, guys, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next Monday at 6.